you a local service-based business owner that struggles with asking for referrals? Well, hey, don't feel bad. You're not alone. And one of the biggest things that I see when I talk with business owners about this is that they don't want to feel pushy or awkward or weird when they're asking. So they just don't really have a great way to do that. Well, here's the thing. I'm going to be sharing with you what I call a referral generator script that you can use and start getting referrals. If you don't know me, I'm Bill Utenage, and I am the author of the Amazon best-selling book, Referability Roadmap, and I help local service-based business owners just like you grow their business by showing them how to get more referrals. And so I want to invite you to a workshop that I'm going to be presenting, and I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to ask. And not only am I going to teach you how to do that, I'm actually going to give you the script that you can use and to start implementing that into your business the day that we do it. So make sure that you get signed up for the workshop, and I look forward to seeing you there.